Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel, and we are in kind of the next phase of Across the Blue Bridge. This is a vintage children's book, and I am not altering the spine, so I'm going to do a hidden spine on this, and this is going to be a naked or plain journal with tons of writing room and only a few of the pages from this book. So this is where we're at. The book has been gutted, and I haven't prepared the spine yet, but we will get there. So I have begun making the signatures. I'm going to have 4 signatures, and so far what I have done is used only craft paper in between the pages, and I have cut them using my rotary cutter to make fancy edges on the paper. So here are the pages. So I've nothing but craft paper in between so far, as you can see. And then there's beautiful children's vintage pages from this book that are in here. They're like little mini stories. So I have gotten 4, and then what I did is I sized it up to my spine. And since this is a journal that's just going to be writing, you're not going to be adding like tags and all that stuff to it. It's going to be a writing journal. So I have plenty of space here to add some more papers. So what I thought I would do is so I gathered assortment of writing papers. So these are all papers that have lines or dots, except for these 2 that you can write on. So this is a very writer-friendly journal. So these pages are little dots on them with a blue page, and these are out of like a regular journal book, and that had sewn in spines, so I could just take them right out, and I've got my own pages. Here is another one from a different writing journal. It's got a little leaf and some children down here, and this was sewn in, so I took those pages out. And then I have graph paper, vintage graph paper. This is a printed paper with a dotted connected lines. Kind of neat. There's a free website for this that you can print those out on your printer. Here is some coffee and tea dyed paper that you can write on, but it's a little decorative. Here is some tracing paper for something different. And then here is some ledger paper that I've cut down. So I am going to start adding these. So I've got 4, what have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So actually I need to find one more set of paper so I could add 2 pieces to each. So let me grab some more paper here. I think I will just do So actually I think I will throw in 4 of these. These are like just Chinese type paper. So I'll throw in 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will fold those in half. So I have a little bit of a decorative paper. There's 1, 2. I found these at I think a garage sale, if I'm not mistaken. A whole entire thing full. So there makes 4 pages, 4 sets of pages. I could have threw in some music paper as well, but we'll leave these. So these are all writing, and these 2 are decorative, so I think I will mix them up and put this one in here, and this one with this one, and then I'll put this one here, so we each have different sets of paper. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just start adding in. So let's start out with decorative paper here on the front of this one. So the first page. So I'll just start sorting or adding the pages in each signature. Okay. All right. Okay. So that bulks it up a little bit right there. Okay, so now, so we have that, craft paper, and we will do this lined paper next. 1, 2. It's really pretty with that leaf and edging. I always look for, you know, like already made journals that I can take the pages out of. And I like it that it has a leaf and some decorative edge there. So I really like that. I try to find different ones. Oops, was I putting that in the right spot? Yeah, it was after the craft paper, okay. Alright. Okay, so that is the next one. Alright, and then we'll just keep going. So now I have, so now we'll go back, just keep going back through. So there's that paper. Okay, so now I'll add this one in. This is a tracing paper, which kind of gives it a different feel. Okay. And I think the next step after I do this will be going through and stamping my craft papers, because the craft papers I'm leaving blank. Okay. It's getting thick now, so just have to keep trying it on for size, because this is just a writing journal. We're not sticking anything in. I still got more room. So I think I'm gonna wait on that just in case. And I'm gonna move over to this one, and so then just open it back up to where you were. So I have a shorter page here, shorter page here. So the next one needs to be full length. So I think we will go with the graph paper next. And you can put, I think I'll put the dots at the top, or not the dots, but the hole punches towards the top. Okay. On this one. And these are just 8.5 by 11 pieces. So the craft paper is all the way out to the edge, and the book pages are all the way out to the edge. Did I do that right? Okay, see, getting mixed up here, so the leaf paper page. Yep, so after the craft paper. And then put this one in. Yeah, I've been making journals with so many book pages that I was finding for myself in my own cabin one that sure you can, you know, write and journal all around the edges, but I was finding that I wish I had more free space than I did, you know, the vintage pages. Okay, so we're getting even thicker here. So I just added another 4 pages. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to be alligator mouth. I still got some room. So let's keep going. Okay, so now, okay, let's see where we're at here. Middle. Here. And then here, so this is the middle. So I think we will go with the blue paper. We'll go there. And that's really pretty. I like that variation. Okay. There's the graph paper. And then here's the blue paper. I like a whole variation of different types of lines and ways to write on paper. That's why I chose all these different types of paper. Okay, that one goes there. Okay, last one on this one. Okay, there's the graph paper, craft paper, and then the blue paper, which goes really pretty with this one too. All right, so, and I will put these pages in a book press. So I think we're doing good. So here we are with this one. We got a book page, and then here is the middle page. So I think I will do the tea-dyed paper. It always gives it a neat feel. All right, so let's do that. And plus you can write on it, the tea-dyed paper. So, and I could do it this way and then this one in the middle. On this one, I think I will do that. Well, no, I better stick to my plan because I might, if I have room, stick like a little envelope or something in the middle of something fancy in the middle of the. Okay, so there's that one. Just not sure yet. Okay, definitely getting thicker. All right, so here's the blue paper. use this one. I might even throw a doily in the middle. Like I said, I want to just keep it. So I have these two papers yet, and I have these two. I think I'm going to wait on that. Maybe in the middle, because like I said, this is just going to be strictly a writing journal. So it's just nothing but book pages and writing paper. So let's try it on for size. It's pretty thick. And this is why I don't do my spine until I'm ready. Oh gosh, see, that's looking nice. I like that. It's gonna be a nice journal. And it's going to remain like this, so it will have some end paper here. I will do some scrapbook, like decorative card paper. So see how the pinch is here. So this will be glued in here with a fabric, and then I will have end papers that will keep it here. So the bend will be here, just like the normal book was. So these will all be glued in right here. So these will be the pages. Won't that be cool? Love that. So it's pretty thick. I don't think I'm going to add anything to the middle. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. So then I guess that's it for today. I'm going to leave these papers for a different project then. Nothing goes wasted. So next, I might do some stamping. So I might do my lines maybe on a few pages, or otherwise I will just do, you know, some pretty, you know, stamps here in the corner of different sorts. I'll try to keep in the theme of the book, you know, so like this is like a baseball story. So, you know, I may do some children here, or, you know, something like that, or some words. This one is about farmers, so this one has animals and things like that. So I will probably stamp that on the corners here. This one is an Emily Dickinson story or poems, short story. You know what? I don't like this here next to the writing. So you know what? I think I will, now